Stop scrolling for just a second. And look at this. Most people think they've seen fast cars. They think they know what power feels like. But 99% of what you see on the street is just loud noise and marketing hype. If you actually want to see what happens when engineering goes completely unhinged, you need to watch this very closely, because there's a massive difference between a car built for the streets and a machine that's engineered to absolutely dominate them. Right here, in every single line, every sharp angle, and every curve, precision meets raw performance in its purest form. Just look at the stance of this thing. If you look closer at those wheels, you'll see exactly what underpins this monster. We are talking massive, high-performance Brembo brake calipers paired up with advanced carbon ceramic rotors. Now, if you're a true gearhead, you know exactly what that means. It drastically drops the car's unsprung weight, which completely transforms how it handles corners, while giving you absolute track-ready stopping power that just doesn't fade. But the real magic, it happens right under that sculpted aerodynamic hood. That is where you find a true masterpiece of American engineering. It's a hand-assembled 5.2-liter Voodoo V8 engine. And what makes it legendary is something most modern cars lack: a high-revving, flat plane crankshaft. When you push this thing, it screams all the way up to an insane 8,250 RPM redline. It unleashes a brutal 526 horsepower and 429 pound-feet of torque straight to the back wheels. Out here, true power isn't just felt. It's something you relentlessly pursue. Every single panel, every functional carbon fiber aero piece, it's all meticulously sculpted to slice through the air and pin this beast to the asphalt. And when you couple that with the track-tuned Magneride suspension and a crisp Tremec 6-speed manual transmission, the connection between driver and machine becomes almost telepathic. Behold, the pinnacle of modern track engineering, the ultimate Shelby. Ladies and gentlemen, the Shelby GT350. You see, at Shelby, they don't just build cars. They craft living, breathing, tire-shredding icons of high performance. It's loud, it's unapologetic, and it demands respect the exact second it hits the pavement. This is where the future of performance begins.